Hey everyone, hope all of you are doing good. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another interesting video. We are seeing a very tough job market, particularly for data analyst roles. There's too much competition, too many people, and of course, layoffs are happening. So the openings are also very less. Now, in this kind of a situation, let's say you're a fresher. What are three things you can do to actually try and get hired? The first thing you could do is don't focus on tools. Learn tools, of course, but don't sell just your tools. Sell the business impact you have made using tools. Or, for instance, if you've studied a particular tool like SQL, explain how you used SQL to perform year on year analysis, to perform retention analysis, to identify pockets of growth in a particular product category. Focus on the impact, focus on the business value. Tools are just a means to an end. Every day, new tools will keep coming up. Of course, learn the traditional tools like Excel, SQL, Python, and Tableau, for instance, but sell your business impact and business understanding more. This can definitely help you stand out, and do highlight this part also in your portfolio projects. The second thing that you can do at this situation is to try and get some other job which might not be your first field of interest. This could be a sales or a marketing job. You'll definitely learn a lot of business sense in those jobs. And through that job, you can also probably start using some tools like Excel, SQL if the company allows you to do so for your own analysis. And you can use this as a stepping stone to get into the data field maybe a year or two later when the market improves. On top of that, start leveraging AI, like it's using ChatGPT to generate queries, or also using workflows by tools like N8N and so on. Start learning about these tools. It's like really important. The third thing that you can do is stop thinking as a very narrow focused data analyst. Stop thinking just about Excel, SQL, Power BI. Think about how the data is coming in. Learn and understand a little bit about data engineering. Start learning about these ML and AI applications as well. Play around with a few YouTube videos, maybe take a few free or paid courses and start building projects that can actually have impact. This will take you a long way in actually securing a job, standing out from the other applicants. One other final thing that you can do, which will also work, is of course trying to submit a strong portfolio resume of yours instead of just submitting the normal one page resume. Show some prototypes, show some video of what you have built. Maybe build your resume in the form of a dashboard, for example. Try something new, try to stand out in the eyes of the recruiter. I know the market is tough and it will take time for the market to change, or maybe it will take a very long time. Be patient, keep learning, pivot careers for now, and then eventually I think you'll have light at the end of the tunnel. Never stop learning. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again in another video.